What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Is Shiba Inu kind of a safe place right now to put your money? We're going to talk about that in this video. There are some people that I know that have actually done this. They'd rather have their money in SHIB than stable coins. Think about that. I mean, it's not out of left field really, because look what we've seen from stable coins becoming depegged, like UST. Obviously, the collapse there, but most recently USDD, Tron stablecoin. We saw Tether, right? Depeg from the dollar. The only stable coin that has really held its ground is USDC. Now, Shiba Inu, if we take a look at the price action here over the last 7 days, it's pretty much been consolidating. I mean, obviously, everything came down here one more time here, just about June 11th, right in this range, right? Everything kind of came down. But since the last 3 days or so, we've remained pretty steady, and we've hit these lows around the 7.5 level. Now, personally, I'm waiting for it to get a little bit lower. If it doesn't, I'm okay. I'm still holding below this level, but I'm waiting for it to get a little bit lower so I can add to my position that I'm currently in with Shiba Inu in my long position. Okay. But if you take a look at the month, you can also see, we consolidated up here in the 12s a little bit. This was, just after the first crash, which happened May 12th. Now we have to remember too, we just had this happen yesterday, right? The Fed raises interest rates by 0.75% to battle inflation. This is a huge deal, right? The highest rate hike we've seen since 1994. The decision to hike the rates was followed by the streaming hot inflation to ease the pressure on citizens' economic growth and financial situation. The rates were the highest ever witnessed in 3 decades. So, according to expectations of several policymakers, the Fed is likely to end the year with a 3.4% interest rate. Estimates in March wanted them to be somewhere around 2.5% by the end of the year. Not quite going to get there, at least due to these expectations. Now, here's the thing, though. The overall crypto market did not react too much, at least, the day of and the day after here. We shall see what happens come Monday, right, to the overall markets. And, or excuse me, we shall see what happens to the markets today and for crypto today as well. Not Monday. I'm thinking it's the weekend. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to watch, right? Could there be a delayed reaction to the crypto market here? Right now, we're trading, pretty flat here with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and some of the other major alts. Even Cardano's up a little bit. Solana's still up. We did see a little bit of a pump yesterday, actually. If we take a look at Bitcoin, we saw it on Shiba Inu's chart too, but there's this little pop here to about the 228 level for Bitcoin. But going back to SHIB, right? A lot of people are looking at SHIB as just a great asset to kind of shelter money. Instead of putting your money into a stable coin, put it into SHIB at these low prices with 5 zeros, and it's pretty steady because they have a lot of liquidity. That's the real big reason why a lot of people feel comfortable putting their money into SHIB. They have the liquidity there, right, in the project. So we'll see what happens here today. If we get a delayed reaction to the crypto market, I don't think we will. But again, with Shiba Inu, I'm waiting until we get into these sixes. All right, let me go back out to the all chart. If we see right here, see all of this consolidation we found here back in last June, okay, about a month ago. See when in these sevens. Now we did dip to the 7.5 a couple times, but I think we can get down into these sixes. I do. I think we're going to touch them here, and that's kind of what I'm waiting for with Shiba Inu. Again, if it doesn't get down there, I'm okay too. I'm okay holding. But that's kind of my price analysis right now at SHIB. It's also my analysis, given the macroeconomic situation with the Feds. SHIB is hanging in there, though, still up 2% right now at the time of this recording. So thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know your thoughts about all this down below in the comment section. I'll see everybody soon.